Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. Today I am so excited to be unboxing the White Numen Sacred Animal Tarot. This is by Alba Ballesta González. It retails for $24.95 and it is from the same people that brought you a Modern Witch Tarot and the Cosmic Slumber Tarot. It's Liminal 11 or Sterling Ethos. So I'm so excited. And the art already looks stunning. $24.99. Lighting your path to the spiritual realm, inspired by ancient rituals and stories of sacred animal spirits, White Numen Tarot forms a path to human reconnection with the natural and spiritual realm. A stunning and original tarot deck by Alba Ballesta González. So hopefully I pronounced her name right, hopefully. But anyway, I really do love the art so far. And also, it's a magnetic latch. So if you noticed with the Modern Day Witch, trying to pick it up, it's a little chaotic because this slides out. However, they upgraded with the Cosmic Slumber to that magnetic latch, and now I am thrilled with that. It's such a great little addition. It just makes the packaging work so much better for me. So we're gonna open her up. Ooh. First of all, the color choices, love it. Love. The art, so cute. I have already taken the little wrapping off of the cards, so you didn't have to see me struggle. And then inside, you can see the little patterns, hopefully. And then there's always going to be that cardboard in there to help support the cards and the book together. And you can take it out if you want to. Here is the book. I love these little books. They remind me of like the little golden books that you would get as a kid, or the little like fairy tale stories that come in packs. Anyway, I love them. All right. Oh, it's all color inside. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I just want to see if there's anything. Thus the word Numen, with the strength of magical word, evokes an image of these revered beings. All right, so I'm not going to read through the whole thing because I don't want to spoil anything for you, but there's some info to read about this deck. That's exciting. And some info on tarot, and then it goes into each card meaning. So it looks like we do have keywords too, which is awesome. Okay, we'll flip a card and read it from the guidebook as well later. So here we go. Ooh! Look at that. That's really pretty. They are glossy, so just keep that in mind. See, gloss, there we go, the reflection. That's what I was looking for. Okay, already I am blown away by the art style. It's different, it's fun. The colors are beautiful. They're borders, so some of you I know don't like borders, but this isn't taking away from the imagery for me at all. Oh, let's check the cardstock. It's pretty flexible. Awesome. That was my one complaint with the Modern Witch. It was pretty hard to shuffle continuously because I felt like the cardstock was a little too thick. The art is really different. Okay, so we do have some nudity, so some of you might not like that. However, it's tastefully done. I don't have an issue with nudity in my tarot cards because, you know, we were all born with it. This is really different. Ooh. Interesting. The Hierophant is female in this one. Ooh. What? Wow, okay. Interesting Chariot. That is kind of cool. It's a tiger. Oh, instead of a lion, it's a tiger. Look at the vibrant colors. This is really cool. Ooh. What? This is so different. Wow. I'm really excited to see the meanings in the guidebook. Wow. Oh, how fun. I think for me, the colors are so vibrant. I think that draws me in, that gets me every time. It was the same way with the Cosmic Slumber and the Modern Witch deck. Like they're just, the color schemes for each card was just awesome. This is a really cool death card. Wow. Ooh. Wow. Okay. My goodness. I cannot wait to read through the guidebook. This is stunning. Wow. Oop. Wow. All right, here we go, Minor Arcana. And we've got the Wands. This is so different. I'm just going to say that all the time because I keep getting surprised. Wow. I really like this Eight of Wands. I don't think I've seen it with snakes like this before. I've seen it a lot with horses, but I really like that version. Wow. All of the red tones. Wow. I love that. It's a camel. It's not a horse. My goodness. Ooh. Stunning. Wow. Wow. Okay. Look, a red-headed. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's fun. Oh, here we go. Cups. Blue tones. Yes. Love this. The colors in this alone are immaculate for me, but I love everything about this card. Ooh. This is just really cool. I'm sorry. Oh, man. Ah! Oh my goodness, look at how cute. Wow, okay. That's an interesting take on the Seven of Cups. Ooh. So pretty. I love how they're just up above. Oh. So the cards are sticking just a smidge, but I know that it's because of that gloss coating. It's not a terrible stick. It's just every once in a while they're kind of together there. I am blown away. First of all, the way that people are depicted in this is phenomenal. It's a different kind of art style, but also Like, we've got different hair colors, we've got different skin colors, we've got a few different body types in here. Like, here for this. Okay, swords. I'm loving that you have these same consistent color schemes through each suit. Oh man, that's a really neat Three of Swords. It's not just a heart. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the people representation. Stunning. Like, I was really excited about, oh wow. I was really excited about this deck just because the concept looked really cool. And then I saw a couple of the cards and I was like, ooh. I'm just really impressed. Didn't really know what to think about this deck at first because I didn't really go off a lot of information. I like to just kind of get the decks and create my own first impressions, so to speak. I love this. I love those little guys. Yay, and it's going to be green with the pentacles. Okay, I love. Oh. The color schemes, that just gets me. You know what you're working with instantly. That is a really neat Five of Pentacles too. Wow. Oh, cute. Ooh. Love. Those little babies. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love. Oh, wow, that's so cool with the ox. That is so neat. Ooh, yes, luxuriate queen. Look at him. Oh, I love all of this behind him. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, so we have White Numen. I want to see what these are about. Then Black Numen. Interesting. Okay, so we'll read for those in the guidebook too. I just want to see how it shuffles. Oh, I like this a lot better than shuffling the Modern Witch. Yeah, this feels really good. It's a good size. Shuffles just fine. Okay, can we get a card to pull, please? Oh, yep. The Hanged Man. All right, so we are going to check out the Hanged Man. All right, unknown, patience, redemption. Hanging upside down from a celestial branch, the old man falls, finding his balance as he does so, 1 foot tied to the branch and 1 foot free. Is he there of his own free will, or has a crowd thrown him into this space as a sacrifice or scapegoat? The hangman, thoroughly independent and his own master, cares little either way. He is resigned to this trial and the gifts it will bring, for no matter how challenging his predicament may seem, everything depends on the way you look at it. I love that. That's fantastic. Okay, I want to see about the Numen cards. Here we go, extra cards. So the Black Numen would be void, pending loss, and corrosion. The 2 Numen face their own extinction, 2 branches upside down, just about to burn into the sacred fire. The world, I can read, I swear. The world is about to be spun upside down, and yet they still guard their altar, which drowns slowly into the depths. Once absorbed by the haze, their sacred nature shall depart, simple beasts once more, still with the promise of a re-encounter of the divine. The Black Numen symbolize clinging on to causes that may seem loss, distraction, and confusion, a challenge to faith with the knowledge that it shall return. And the White Numen would be creation, starting point, and divine inspiration. The God's Father runs free across the virgin earth's plain. In apparent weightlessness, just like the bison in ancient cave paintings, it traverses the world, making sure that all of creation is in order. Above him, dimensions open, and the power of the sun glows between his horns. The bronze stars and the bird guide him as the morning breaks. The White Numen symbolizes creation through action, the perfect and divinely inspired path resulting from movement and momentum. Act, innovate, make the world anew. That is really cool. And we do have spreads. Look at that. Path to the Sorcerer, Bond of the Numen, and then 4 card and 1 card. Awesome. Okay, and so now I really want to compare the cardstock of the Cosmic Slumber because that's similar. So they're the same size. Yeah, they're pretty stinking similar cardstock. Now then we take the Modern Witch, and this is a little thicker. I don't know if you can see, probably not. Yeah, it's like the point little bit thicker. And I don't know why I have such a hard time shuffling this, but I do have issues sometimes with trying to get it to shuffle together. I know some of you have commented about the same thing. However, it doesn't stop me from loving this deck. It's so beautifully done. And same with this Cosmic Slumber. Like if you can see the similarities in the color, like I really am drawn to vibrant colors. I feel like it just adds that extra pizzazz and that intuitive hit that you get. Oh, but yeah, so my consensus is what a wonderful little deck. I feel like the inclusivity is there. I feel like diversity is there. I feel like it represents the meanings of the cards really well. There's things that I have not seen in other decks before, such as the Ox for Night and a Camel for a Night. I love the way that the suits each have their like color schemes. So that's fantastic. It shuffles great. The only complaint I have is that it's glossy, and that's only because I film. So, the reflections and everything, that's the only complaint I have. The packaging is great. It actually is very concise and to the point, and I love that magnetic latch. So my thoughts are, if you think that this is something that you would connect to, check it out, as well as get your Christmas gifts done because these are really cool. What a great collection if you already have the other two. And then we do have another one. I think it's called the Lumen Tarot. I just pre-ordered it. It's by the same publisher. So that's another set to have too. So I'm quite thrilled with it. What do you think? Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about this deck. Do you own it already? Are you getting it? Are you putting it on your wish list? Or are you like, that's a hard pass for me? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for sharing your time with me, spending it with me, and letting me know all of the things down in the comments. We have great conversations down there. It's so much fun. We're building this beautiful community, and I'm just so ever so grateful for each and every one of you. Thank you again. And with that being said, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss a video from me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.